Welcome to another military footage archive update on the Ukraine-Russia war. Today, we bring you some intense and breathtaking combat footage from the front line, showing actions from both sides. Stay tuned, enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. In this footage, Ukrainian military personnel noticed a Russian fiber optic FPV drone chasing them from behind. The drone was flying low and closing in quickly. With fast reaction and steady aim, the soldiers opened fire using small arms. In the final moment, their shots struck the drone, causing it to lose control and crash into the nearby trees. This intense clip highlights the quick thinking and sharp reflexes of Ukrainian troops as they defend themselves from constant drone threats on the modern battlefield. In this clip, a Russian soldier was moving alone through a forest, unaware that Ukrainian drones were tracking him from above. As he entered an open area, a Ukrainian FPV drone launched an attack. The first drone narrowly missed, but left the soldier unable to continue moving. Shortly after, a Ukrainian reconnaissance drone dropped a small bomb, causing severe injuries. In a moment of defiance, the injured soldier gestured toward the drone before losing his strength. This footage highlights both the precision of modern drone warfare and the harsh realities faced by soldiers on the front line. The Ukrainian Defense Ministry has released new footage showing the destruction of expensive Russian air defense equipment in the temporarily occupied Zaporizhia region. In this powerful operation, Ukrainian forces successfully targeted the Buk M3 air defense system, Ginger radar system, and Panzer Sohn air defense system. All systems were hit by precise drone and missile strikes. The footage shows multiple direct hits, leading to heavy explosions and destruction of the Russian equipment. These strikes significantly weaken Russian air defense capabilities and increase Ukraine's ability to conduct further operations. In this video, fighters from the Dnipro group used a drone to place a Russian flag in the center of Kherson, a city controlled by the Ukrainian armed forces. The Russian Ministry of Defense stated, "Kherson was and remains Russian. This is our response to the occupation regime." This symbolic action was carried out to demonstrate Russia's claim over the city during Russia Day celebrations. The Sting group of the Ballista Special Forces destroyed a Russian Gvozdika self-propelled gun in Kherson. The Russian vehicle was hiding in the bushes, but the Ukrainian drone operators spotted it. The first drone strike hit the Gvozdika while it was still hiding. The crew tried to escape. The self-propelled gun drove toward an intersection, but a second drone caught up and hit it again. Even after the second strike, the vehicle kept moving for a short time, but the damage was too severe. The engine caught fire multiple times. Finally, the Gvozdika burned out completely. In this intense combat footage, a Russian Marine unit faces a sudden and powerful drone attack from Ukrainian forces. The Marines were riding in an armored vehicle, likely heading toward the front line. Ukrainian FPV drones spotted them and launched a swift assault. Several drones raced toward the vehicle, attempting to land direct hits. Some exploded nearby, while others crash-landed without causing major damage. Despite the chaos, the Russian Marines remained calm. They opened fire on the incoming drones and managed to shoot one down. After a series of near misses, they survived the attack and continued their mission. Ukrainian drones continue to deliver heavy blows to Russian supply lines in Donetsk. In this operation, the Phoenix Border Detachment carried out multiple successful drone strikes. Ukrainian drones targeted and destroyed 2 military trucks, 2 loaf vans, Bogdana type, 2 motorcycles, 1 ATV, and 1 armored personnel carrier, APC. These precise drone attacks seriously disrupt Russian troop movements and resupply efforts in the region. The footage shows how drones are becoming a game-changing weapon on the modern battlefield. In the Kramatorsk-Druzhkovsky direction, Russian attack drones from the southern group of forces destroyed 2 Ukrainian UAV control points. The strikes disrupted Ukrainian drone operations in the area. In the Kherson region, the FPV drone crew from the Dnipro group of forces found and destroyed a camouflaged Ukrainian mortar. The target was well hidden, but the drone operators successfully eliminated it. In the South Donetsk direction, UAV operators of the East Force Group of the Russian forces struck an Mon-109 Paladin self-propelled artillery unit. The powerful artillery was destroyed. In this video, published by the Russian Ministry of Defense, the crew of the Lancet Loitering munition from the Vostok group of forces targets a Ukrainian artillery unit. The Ukrainian Bogdana self-propelled Howitzer was located in the South Donetsk direction. The Lancet drone carried out a precise strike. The direct hit triggered the detonation of the ammunition. The Ukrainian artillery unit was completely destroyed. The Ronins of Ukraine's 65 Motorized Rifle Brigade continue to strike Russian forces in the Zaporizhia direction. In this operation, they successfully targeted and destroyed 2 cars, 1 tank, and 7 camouflaged Russian vehicles. These precise attacks weaken Russian positions and reduce their combat capabilities in the region. The footage shows the growing power of Ukrainian strike forces on the modern battlefield. Thank you for watching. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. It really helps us to keep uploading every day.